Hello, viewers. Keeping in line with our endeavor to bring forth to you people from industry and learning about their struggles, their journey, and achievements, we have with us today Mr. KK Sharma, CEO Yamir Packaging, based out of Ahmedabad. Hello and welcome to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Mr. KK Sharma is a mechanical engineer with an MBA in marketing and a postgraduate diploma in packaging from IIP. He is a member of International Institute of Packaging Professionals and a chartered engineer from IIE. His experience is in the field of teaching, textile machinery projects, and packaging for machines and materials. Sir, what is the biggest factor that has helped you to be so successful through all this varied interest that you have shared with us?
First of all, thank you very much, Anila, for a crisp introduction of mine. And as you rightly asked the question about the success in the life, according to me, the success has got a different meaning for different people, probably. And for me, I always believe in one thing: if you are able to lead a healthy and happy life, that is what is the success. And to continue with that, my father, Anila, was a professor, and he was always telling me since our childhood, Sudhro. And I couldn't get the meaning of that Sudhro at that time, probably. But recently I read a book by Chandramouli Venkateshan. He is the managing director for Pidilite. And he wrote that success is equal to, he gave one equation. And as engineers, we always believe in the equations. Success is effort into get better. So what he meant to say is that if you want to get success, only the efforts in acquiring degrees or the skill or only the hard work is not going to provide you the success. Along with efforts, you will have to get better every day in your life. It may be in terms of skills, new skill development, learning, going for the exposure in different industries, gaining the experience. That will put you in a good success mode.
Okay. Okay, so another thing, what points do you should you have kept in mind to achieve this success in life, and what would you tell others to keep in mind when they are looking at this success, other than being progressive in terms of acquiring skills? What all they should do, or how you have done it, rather?
See, for me, the success was something that a passion.
Okay.
To create some kind of business in the life, which changed my career plan also. Being an engineer, I started doing some commercial activities. So that is what the passion in the life. So I will always tell to others that whatever you are doing in the life, love what you are trying to do. If you're not able to love that, and for an example, if I'll say that I'm always telling to my team members that in the morning, if you are not getting a kick in the sense that if you don't want to come to the office, or if you don't love to come to office, it will be better that you resign and go somewhere else. So according to me, passion and love for the work is that.
Okay. And what is it that you love about your job? The best part of it, which gives you the kick?
Yes, I'll tell you. See, I'm in a packaging industry for umpteen number of years now. So I'm always dealing with different brands, and I'm always the part of their launch. And I always like the idea when they are putting the new brand in the market, the way they think that how they will be able to position it in the market, promote it in the market, use the right kind of packaging material for the same, and then the success which they are trying to derive out of it, sometimes it is not only 2x, it can be more than 10x. So that is what gives me a very good enjoyment along with them, to see them growing, and at the same time I do get my business along with.
It gives you a really good kick, you know, with
Yeah.
their success, your success is also there. Okay.
Sure.
So with so many things at your hand, you're doing so many things within the organization with your team members. How do you organize your time, take out time for family and things like that?
See, taking out time, yes, time is the most important thing. As you go up, you always will find that that is the one most precious thing you are having. And if that is not allowed to you. So I divide it into certain time slots for my family, for my work. And when it is a work, it is very important to create a kind of to-do list every day. And from the to-do list, if you are defining the priority in the morning itself, that these are the priority for the day, and in the evening when you are going back home, if you can see that, if you can review that list and can see that all the priorities have been done by you, you feel satisfied with the day. So that is what is the time management I am following.
Okay. Had you not been here, sir, what would you have been doing? What are the other passions that you have?
uh, Anila, I always loved teaching.
Okay.
So if I would not have been here doing this marketing or a job of a CEO, sitting in the corner office, I would certainly would like to be a teacher,
So teaching
because that
mechanical
gives me
engineering,
sorry.
teaching mechanical engineering or from packaging background?
Uh, See, from mechanical engineering, if somebody will put me, I've already forgotten everything. And the things have changed, the syllabus have changed over there. I would love to teach to the people what is required to be successful, probably in the business now, in this coming digital world.
Okay, now I would like you to a small insight about your journey from an engineering graduate to marketing professional, with an insight to what children can do now. I mean, what you have been, where you started and where you are now. A little insight into that journey.
Um, Basically, the time where we became engineer, Anila, in fact, I will say that was a golden time, where only 750 engineers were coming out of Rajasthan as a total state. So, and for you, the job was certain that you will end up with any kind of government job at that time. Now the situations have changed, and there are, I will say, multifold increase in terms of number of engineers coming out of the colleges. And for them, I will always tell them that if you can uh, gain some skill other than what you are regularly reading in your colleges, probably to become employable, right kind of employability, that will give them a very good career in the life. And they should not only think, according to me, in the core careers. Basically, there are multiple different new careers coming on, where they can get the skills and can really do very well. So I'll ask them to have some kind of passion in life, uh, create put create some kind of milestone, and keep on giving a pat on your back that yes, I have achieved that small milestone today. So that will continue their journey henceforth.
Any other tip on any kind of soft skill that they should acquire which would make them successful in industry, or something that you look for in people when you hire new graduates?
The best the one thing which has become very important with the changing times nowadays, with this COVID situation recently, Anila, uh, I realized one thing, that if a person or a candidate who wants to become employable is not aware about the digital platforms, how to work remotely, the things to be done. And another very important thing is about Internet of Things, IoTs. Using IoT for your business, using IoT for your work, uh, doing the data analytics, it's going to be a very big uh, game changer now on, because the things are becoming little complicated or complex nowadays. So to be successful either in one's career, wherever he is, because all the careers basically ends up with some kind of revenue generation. So you require a good amount of data analytics, uh, using digital platforms. These are the skills which I will say to the newcomers that they should acquire early on.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for being with us, and we'll definitely ask for more information as and when it comes up. Whenever we have a query regarding the packaging industry, we'll definitely come back to you, because there would be students who would be wanting to know more about the packaging industry. So maybe we'll
It's
have another.
always my it's always my pleasure to provide the information which I have, and I'll be happy if I can help some people around and can support them. Thanks a lot. Thank you
Right.
very
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.